Okay, so this is my other Xbox, and my white Xbox, my Xbox One S, has a problem where whenever I plug it in, there's like green lines all over the screen, and this one doesn't have that problem, but it recently stopped working. And when you click this button, you can see I have the block plugged in right there. It's orange. Click it, and you can sometimes hear like a startup sound. That's all you can hear, and it doesn't turn on. And then sometimes it turns on, but very rarely. And it only stays on if I keep it on, and I don't know what to do. Because I can't just keep the Xbox on for eternity and just never turn it back off. Like I'll unplug it from the back, unplug it from this thing, wait like 10 seconds or something like that. Just wait for that to die off. But nothing is, like, I've tried everything and it's not working. And I don't know what to do. So, I'm just gonna plug this back in. Nothing's working. I don't know if it's my power brick. I mean, it's orange, it turns on. Or I don't know if it's the Xbox, but it makes kind of like a startup sound. And then it just kind of stops. I don't know what to do. So, tell me if you know a fix for it. Then, please let me know in the comments.